Well, good morning. I'm out in the woods with my boys, and I want to show you this really cool stove from InstaFire. This is the Inferno Pro. This is a biomass stove, and pretty amazing design. And there's few products that I've come across that I'm like, ooh, this is like multi-purpose. And this is truly one of those things. So whether you're camping or you're tailgating, or it's an emergency situation and you need to cook whether outdoors or inside, and I'll talk about all of that here today. This design, it is triple walled, and so what it does is it allows airflow from the bottom coming up down, up to the top. And this is a really kind of compact design. You can take this top part off, and this folds up, and then it just goes in here, and this locks on these, where are they? There they are. These little pieces right here. And so you can just lock that down, and these bottom feet fold in, and you can put that in its little carry bag. So that's pretty cool. So what's amazing about this, though, I'll show you a couple of unique features about this little stove, is you start it by putting some starter, and I'll show you, we'll start this up and actually cooking some breakfast here this morning. You put some starter material in here, and then in the top up here is where you put your sticks, and you can even put wood pellets in there if you want. Or if you are cooking inside, and you don't want to have the smoke and the carbon monoxide from the wood, you can use like one of these little cans. So this is a little 6-hour heat can, a little ant on it right now. So you can just drop that in there if you want, and then cook on it inside. So you don't want to cook, with open flame and sticks and all that inside. But that's a good option if you in an emergency situation and you needed to cook inside or heat something up at least, you can do that. But the way this works on this top, it has this cutout. So when you've got your pot, your pan, whatever, and again, we're about to cook some breakfast here, that you can just keep feeding sticks and stuff in there into this top portion. So again, that just kind of goes on there. Now you're wondering maybe what's this knob right here? Well, the knob is a fan. So this thing has a fan built into the bottom of it, and you can turn this fan on. See the light that comes on there? And I can hear it. You can't hear it, I'm sure, but there's a fan that comes on, and it's powered by 4 AA batteries in the bottom. Now you're like, oh, what if I don't have any batteries? Well, that's okay. You can take something like a solar charger like this, and it's got a USB in one side right here. It's got a USB right there, so I can USB-C, so I can plug that in, and then I can run the fan from a power bank, a solar charger like this. If you've got an EcoFlow, any of that, you can run the fan. So the reason that you have the fan, it creates this like vortex that it's kind of like if you blowing on a fire or something, it just makes it hotter. So we're gonna put this together and cook some breakfast. All right, so I've got some fire starter from InstaFire here, and again, all I'm going to do is open this little tray up right here, and I can just dump some of this stuff in here like that. And I will get a match. Just going to slide that in there. And then I can take some sticks like this and just kind of drop those in here. So now, once this is kind of caught here, now I'm going to turn the fan on. Look at that. It's pretty cool, huh? So it's like shooting up for sure. Now the bottom of this will remain cool to the touch, okay? Down here. Obviously the top will not, so it's not advisable to grab the top of this thing. So, and I can turn the fan down. And it's still a nice fire even without the fan. I mean, you can still cook on that just fine. So I think what we're gonna do is go ahead and make some breakfast now. So I got this thing cranked up, obviously. Turn it down a little bit. But this is also by Ready Hour. I love this little coffee pot. It's a percolating coffee pot. So you can put, oops, it has a little percolator in there. So I've got coffee grounds. And so this will just boil. And you can see it on the top in that glass top there. So we'll make some coffee. So we are proud to partner with My Patriot Supply, and that's where you can get this. And I'll drop a link for My Patriot Supply down below, and you can find this stove and find this this little coffee pot up here as well. So check that out. All right, so we got some eggs and bacon going here, and looking good. It's a pretty sweet little setup. So, you know, if you don't want to get a full fire going, then this would be great. Something like this. So, pretty easy, and with that you know, blowing feature at the bottom really helps. We got it turned down right now. Don't want to overcook this, but we'll go ahead and finish this up, get it plated up. All right, so we finished up, got some eggs and bacon here, and it looks really good. I got my coffee as well. So guys, I hope this has been helpful for you today. And if you have other questions about this, other comments, just drop those down below. But again, I'll drop a link for this down below as well. But thanks for your support for us and for our channel. We'll see you on the next video.